There is a people mentioned in the Hebrew Bible, Uriah the Hittite, husband of Bathsheba, the daughters of Heth, the Hittite kings listed among Solomon's trading partners, whose identity was, for centuries, a complete mystery. No one knew who the Hittites were. No physical trace of their civilization had been found. Then, in 1906, excavations at a remote site in north-central Anatolia, modern Bagazkoy in Turkey, uncovered a royal archive of over 30,000 clay tablets. Within a decade, a Czech scholar named Bedřich Rosny had cracked the language. It was not Semitic. It was not Sumerian. It was Indo-European, related to Greek, Latin, Sanskrit, and ultimately to English. The Hittites had been hiding in plain sight. This is their story, the forgotten superpower of the ancient world.